guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to remake this houndstooth skirt that is way oversized to fit me perfectly like a glove. It's going to be runway worthy. Yes, I said it. Chanel will be jealous, trust me. So we're going to need the listed items as shown on the screen. Take a moment, collect your items because we're about to start. And your measurements. Don't forget your measurements. We're going to start off by ripping these ugly big ass pockets from the front of our skirt. I think they made the skirt look weird and ugly, but if you want to add them back, you can when you've slimmed it down. Those pockets big enough to carry your embarrassment and put them aside. We don't need them here. We're now going to turn the skirt inside out. Ignore the line that I have drawn there. I was trying to be smart. Quickly realize the only smart I have is looking smart, not being smart. Sad. Ensure that your skirt is centered because I have a back zipper and you need to ensure that it's in the middle. Take your waist measurements. I decided to use 32 for mine by 4. Then mark on both ends of your waistband. Yes, 32. Kim Kardashian could never. You'll also need your measurements from your waist to your hips. I forgot to say that. Mine was 10 inches. Did that. My hip measurement is, guess what, 42. I'm telling you, these hips don't lie. Shakira didn't bluff when she said these hips don't lie. Yes, exactly. Divide that by 4. 42 divided by 4, that's 10.5, right? Yeah, look at you being smart, and they say that you are bad at math. They should be ashamed. Mark that 10.5 on both sides of your hips, and there you have it. After marking the hips and the waist points, you're now going to draw a curve. This is your moment to shine. Like, draw the outline of your body, and mine will look hella good, but don't exaggerate it. We don't want you exaggerating your hips. Be a realistic bitch. Yes, you want big hips, but who's God? He knew you can be humble with big hips. Yakupea hips the 48. How? And you'll be looking like, God said, nah, I ain't doing that. Now, we're going to connect like from the points where you measured your waistline and your hips. Connect them using a curved line. Draw, and then you draw down to the hemline. Now you're going to take your pins and pin them down along that curve you've made, so that they can make the skirt be in place while you're sewing. Is it sewing or sewing? Either way, kizungu ilikuja na meli. This will be results of after sewing both sides. Now you can see the illusion of how my hips are. Yeah, I know you're envious. But calm down. We can't all be given nice things. Now you're going to have to cut the excess material off. Just cut it off with the scissors, obviously. Yeah, on both sides. While you're cutting the excess material off, leave a 1-inch allowance because you'll have to tuck in that excess material into itself, like to create a hem. Not a hem. I don't know what that hemming style is. I never claimed to be a professional seamstress. Yeah, just leave 1-inch allowance while you're cutting off the excess material. I'll show you in a bit how that will come in handy. After that step, we're going to need to sew our hemline. You can see like it's packing. Hey, packing? I don't know. It's not sewn. Now we're just going to hem that hemline so that you can make it stay in place. Yeah, now that's what I'm doing there. Hey, I'm trying to use big words. Hey, you calm down. Use the normal things you've so hard. Quickly hem down the bottom using a straight stitch from beginning to the end. Now it's tucking time. Not that tucking you're thinking of. I see you. I know you watch RuPaul's Drag Race, but it's not that kind of tucking. It's this kind of tucking where you take our rough edges, you fold it inside into it itself, like I'm doing here. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Like you're taking both ends of the hem, not hem, of the edge, raw edge, then you fold onto itself. Then you're going to sew along that folded place, just on top, like you're going to do a top stitch on the fold you've made. And this is the hem you'll get. I wish I could have explained it better, but turn it inside out and we're practically done. At this stage you can add back your pockets if you want those ugly ass pockets back, but I decided to leave mine off. So we're done. Now it's reveal time. Loving you.